Hello makeup lovers, welcome to my channel. My name is Caroline and in today's video we're gonna be talking about the Sephora sale. This is a huge haul. Here's what I got. I got a bunch of stuff. If you are unaware, around this time Sephora hosts a sale every year. For Rouge members it's 20%, for VIP members I think it's 15%, and for BI members I'm not quite sure, it's 10%. So let's see what I got in the box. And I start with skincare. I didn't get much skincare, but things that I get every year and I just keep repurchasing because they are a must in my skincare daily routine. And it's gonna be these two cleansers for night and daytime. This one is perfect because it's anti-aging and cleansing, and it helps clean my skin deeply after I remove my makeup and just remove all the makeup because I really wear a lot of makeup. And this one in the morning, when just to remove, I don't want something very strong on my skin because only I use moisturizer, so there's no reason to wear something very strong on the skin. Then let's talk about the Tatcha. This is the famous, the steel canvas. It took me forever to purchase this item because it's very big to start. It's like beautiful package. Look at this. Wow. Tatcha is a clean brand at Sephora. They have beautiful packaging, and it brought that little piece here. It's nice and pretty. And you're supposed to use this little piece for to remove, to pick up the product. Isn't this beautiful? You're supposed to pick up just a little bit. Here it has the mark, no more than that. And just grab a little bit and apply it to cover your pores, large pores and texture, and have a smooth canvas for your makeup. Gonna be trying this. Still very large. That's one of the things that stopped me from buying it before, but I'll give it a try. I got it in a sale, something to test. Then let's do this is the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, and it's supposed to, you gotta shake it because it has like some sort of oils, like, yes, and it's the Ultra Fine Mist hydrating plus glowing radiance. And I've seen Mel Thompson and Kelsey Brianna talk about it, and it smells delicious, and it's pink. It's like, oh my god, this is delicious. This is a finishing spray to hydrate your skin, and I really like it. It smells divine. We're gonna try it the next couple weeks. Now I'm gonna be showing you the best part, in my opinion, which is the eyeshadow palettes. To me, I just love eyeshadows. That's one of the best parts of doing my makeup. Yes, I like to have my foundation done and all the goodies, but when it comes, look at this. Look at the package. Absolutely stunning. Just like Marc Jacobs. Beautiful. In the back of the palette, you have the names of the eyeshadows, and now we're going to see the colors. This is the perfect palette to travel. You can have so many looks with this. It's beautiful, down my alley. Neutral, but a little bit of color, but it's still neutral colors. Beautiful. Now let's do, I wasn't gonna purchase this item. I was debating on whether to get it or not because, and it's the Charlotte Tilbury, the Icon palette. I've seen and heard so much about it. It's a beautiful package. It looks like the late 80s and 90s. Beautiful. But I have a lot of these colors. Then it's nice, like metallic plastic. package, and then on the back you have the numbers, because every row on the palette is supposed to be a look. Let's open it. Let me cover the mirror so you don't get the reflection. And look at this color. These colors, that's what stopped me, because I do not wear those colors, and there's so many of them on this season. I don't know why. It must be, but I can skip those and just use these ones, because those are the colors I prefer and love the most. They are just beautiful, stunning, and I can do a lot of it. And I also heard that the texture, they can be used, you can wear them either wet or dry, and the texture, it's so, I'm just gonna show you briefly, and then I will do a look with it, and we'll be showing you swatches of the colors so we can move right along. Then I have two more palettes. The Queen, Pat McGrath, and this is the, my goodness, this is the Mothership. I finally got it, and let me cover the mirror. These are the colors, beautiful. Now this color here is supposed to be a very difficult color to make, very, very difficult to mix. And it's like a purple, very deep, rich, dark purple, beautiful. These colors, I'm a little bit intimidated by them, but I guess that I can use them by myself. Like I saw some tutorials of Pat McGrath where she teaches how to use them, and it's absolutely beautiful and stunning. And moving on to another big purchase, we have the Natasha Denona Sunset Palette. Beautiful, beautiful, great for the summer. And this is, I love the packaging. I love the packaging on almost all of the makeup. I guess that's part of it. And this is like a leather. I don't think it's leather, but it feels like leather. Very steady. No, not as much as the Pat McGrath Mothership, because that one is more sturdy. And these are the colors. Perfect for the summer. Beautiful. These colors, they are my colors. I just love warm colors. And the Mothership, you have warm and cool tones that you can mix and match, and that's something we're gonna work on. Then we have, this is the translucent setting powder from Hourglass. I got the small one because I was afraid, if just in case it's not for my skin tone, because I'm very oily, and in case it didn't fit, I wouldn't feel too bad of, you know, spending the money on this one. But let's hope it works. It has great reviews for dark skin because it's light, that it has no flashback or gives you a white cast. So let's try and see if it's gonna work. Okay, we have these two metallics Tom Ford liquid eyeshadows. Let's open them. We have, I got the 03 Violet Argent. It looks like this. And I got the 04 Venus Rising, and this is from the Soleil collection this summer. And let's see how they look. This is the number 4. Wow, beautiful, great for the summer. And this is how it looks. This is beautiful. Then I got from Givenchy the genuine leather, the Le Rouge Intense color, and this was for the Chinese year. Look at that package, all red, beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Stunning, very artistic. And this is the kind of red we got. The packaging is very artistic, very. Was created for the Chinese year, which was the year of the pig. And this is the color. This is how it looks on my skin. I love it, and I will be testing it very soon. Now let's move into another liquid lipstick, which is the Giorgio Armani Lip Maestro. This formula, I have a bunch of these lipsticks. Is beautiful. It's not matte, it's not satin, it's just perfect, and it just glides on your lips. This is the 400, a very classic color with a blue undertone from Giorgio Armani, and I was dying to get my hands on this color. I finally did. Beautiful. Then I went and got one of the Guerlain Rouge G cases, the new one with the matte formula, and this is the Rosy Nude, and this is how it looks. This is the case, has leather and silver, and it reads Guerlain. Now let's find the lipstick that goes along with it, which is I picked the Rouge G number 092. And it comes, you gotta purchase it on the side. You cannot buy them together, which is good because you can use the same case and get 2 other colors or 3 colors. This is like a sheer color. Let's test it. This is like a topper. That's how I would use it. The scent is delicious. Love it. Very soft. I also got this other Rouge G number 01 in the matte formula. Let me show you. I'll clean my hand, the back of my hand once again, so I can test it. And it's beautiful. It's like a mauve color. Very soft. And Guerlain lipsticks are very soft. The formula, the texture, very smooth, pigmented. It just glides on your lips. You won't regret it. Then I went for the new Natasha Denona Bloom palette. Now, this is another item that I was on a debate about getting it yes or no, because I felt intimidated with the color. Yes, the color. I heard so many reviews, so many comments. It's a beautiful palette. The packaging, of course, is Natasha Denona, top notch. But then has a nice mirror. These are the colors. It's supposed to have 2 cream blush, like your blush, your glow, and 2 highlighters, and it's so beautiful. Then you got the other one that is, guess you can mix it. It's a little intense for me. And let's try this. Okay, it has this protector, which is plastic. Let's see. It's cream. Both of them are cream. Now I know what they're talking about. It's beautiful, especially for deep skin. Very nice, very nice. I will be testing this pretty soon. I also got a brush that I wanted for the longest time, and it's the one from Makeup Forever for foundation. This one is very nice. I heard many people talking about it, using it, especially professionals, makeup artists, and I guess because it's so thick, but not too thick, where you would just carry it out and pick up a lot of product. Very, very soft, like it. Then we have this Sephora face mask applicator. This is something that I needed very, very much because I like to wear a lot of face masks. As I said before, I wear makeup on a daily basis. I love makeup, I wear a lot of makeup. So you also have to, when you wear makeup, you have to make sure that you cleanse your face thoroughly, that you deep mask your skin so it stays clean and your pores don't get clogged and you get acne, because besides being oily, I am prone to get acne, which is not very good. And this is the perfect tool. You grab your product with this part, and with this one you apply it on your face. Very, very handy, and I've been looking for something like this for the longest time, and very nice. Good, good, good. I hope you guys enjoy the haul. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you next time.